Hello to friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'll have to share with you a complete project, one of miniatures that I built and painted for my cousin. So I don't know if this was gifted to him or he purchased it. Probably it was a generous gift from one of his friends, because lately he does got gifted lots of miniatures. But this will be Lord of the Rings tabletop game. That is, the rights are owned by Games Workshop, so the company who made also Warhammer 40,000 and Age of Sigmar. And you can purchase this on their website or through the dealers. Um, the price last time I checked was 55 euros. That is directly from them. If you are buying from a dealer, you probably get a little bit of a discount. So this is a older miniature as far as I know. Maybe we will find date inside. So this is the back side of the box, made by Citadel. So this is Game Workshop, made in the UK and manufactured by Games Workshop. Okay, so not a lot of images on the back. I hope you can see it right. So this is the iconic image from the movie. The rights that Games Workshop has is limited to only the Fellowship of the Ring, or should I say the three movies that were made. So all the armies, miniatures, and characters are directly sculpted and built to mimic exactly the images from the motion picture, that the Peter Jackson trilogy. And there is one of the really nicest games that are out there, fantasy wise. Like, if you like to check it out, then feel free to do it. So inside we have a manual. This was definitely not a problem to assemble, nothing problematic. I don't know how many parts there are to this one. Looks like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 plus 14 plus the hand and the weapons. 20 22. Yeah, that is not important. So let's see if we have on this sprue the date when the sprue was made. And yeah, we have. So 2006 was this sprue produced, and that doesn't mean that this actual piece of plastic was manufactured in 2006, but the sprue in that was made in 2006. So really old miniature. So you have basically two options. You can either build him with his flaming sword or this flaming whip. You cannot use them both. And now let's see. So here is the final product, the final project that I must admit that this is one of those Diablo types, demon lookalikes that really inspired lots of games and stories. So usually with this crest, you have lots of demons that are in the Warhammer, also 40,000 and Age of Sigmar, that you can even build. The greater demon from Khorne, for example, has similar head styles with similar horns you can choose from, of course. So this was a really fun and I would say a fast project, because most of his body is painted black. Firstly primed black, and then painted black, and then it is a lot of dry brushing. because I had not that much time to use edge highlight on every corner, every crease of his wings. So some parts, yes, are edge highlighted to pop out a little bit more. You can see here and there. Then I try to simulate the fire effect. The base is a little bit basic. I try to mimic the black charcoal, or say soot, on these stones, so everything is matte black and then dry brushed, and some edge highlights are applied. There is a skull, a shield, and a broken axe on the bottom part. Two flames. Yes, I must say, not that original. The base is not that original, but I did not fiddle around and made a completely new base to it. I just used what is in the box itself. More time was spent on the effect itself, and there are several layers of paint right there, and then of course his flaming cracked back part. So nothing special. The bottom part that is not visible is only dry brushed, just because most time this part will be obviously hidden. For matter of fact, my cousin does not play Lord of the Rings, so this will be mostly a display piece. Currently is residing in my miniature cabinet, but one day when his apartment is complete and he moves, then he will be taking all of his miniatures with him. But it is probably sometime when since this happens. Okay, so let me give you a detailed look on his face. I try to be really neat around his eyes to really, so they really pop and give you the menacing look. And of course his teeth. Yeah. So this was the Balrog miniature from a Lord of the Rings tabletop game made by Games Workshop. Thanks for watching. I always appreciate you taking your time checking out my work. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. And if I can, usually you can expect, if you are new to the channel, I usually do unboxings of knife and gear and stuff that I usually collect and enjoy. So if you like that kind of content, feel free to subscribe. It will be more than appreciated. And with that being said, I wish you a wonderful day. Hope to see you soon. Bye.